Hey everyone, this is my Raspberry Pi controlled slot car set. I've got a one car controlled by the Raspberry Pi, and the blue car, the other car, is still set up to be a player controllable car, so that the idea is that you can race the Raspberry Pi. I've done this by hooking the Pi up to where the controller connects to the track, and build a simple transistor based circuit to interface with that is operated by the GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi. There's also an LED that indicates when the race is about to start and when the race finishes. And that's also just set up here in a little independent circuit and then controlled by the GPIO pins as well. These two circuits in a bit of detail are, this is the one that controls the speed of the car. I'm using GPIO pin 24 through a resistor, and then to power this transistor. This is just an NPN transistor. I'm not sure of the exact model, make, part number. But this transistor controls 5 volts that is set to the slot car set to turn the motor. Now this slot car set is only designed to run off 2 AA batteries, so 3 volts, but I'm providing 5 volts to it, and I'm using pulse width modulation to control the speed of the motor, because as you know, the Raspberry Pis only have digital input and output. We can't control analog circuits with it. So by using pulse width modulation, I can actually control the speed of the motor by quickly turning on and off the voltage to that. So when this GPIO pin is high, this transistor turns on, which provides 5 volts to the slot car set. I put a diode here just so the inductive load of the motor doesn't send any current back the other way. And then the pulse width modulation I'm using 100 Hz cycle, and I found that a 55% duty cycle is pretty fast. Makes the car go pretty quick, makes it pretty competitive. So that's how that one's set up. And the other circuit is just a simple LED. So I'm on GPIO pin 22 through a resistor and then into the LED to ground. So when that's turned to high, the LED lights up. Yeah, so we can see a little bit of the code. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but where's the good stuff? The LED flashes when the race starts. I set the duty cycle to 55%, and then we race. So I'll give that a go. I'll see if I can beat this thing. Keep in mind that I'm running the Pi at 5 volts. 55%, and I've only got 3 volts in my hand controller. Right, you'll see the LED flash. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the blue car.